Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain what pixel tracking is and show you how to disable it in Gmail. Pixel tracking is a method used by some senders to know if and when you open their emails. While this can be useful for businesses to track engagement, it also raises privacy concerns for many of us. Let's dive in and learn how to protect your inbox. First, let's understand how pixel tracking works. Essentially, a tiny invisible image called a tracking pixel is embedded in an email. When you open the email, your email client loads this image from the sender's server, and the sender receives information such as the time you opened the email, your IP address, and sometimes your device type. This happens silently in the background without you even knowing. Now that we know what it is, here's how you can stop Gmail from revealing this information. Start by opening your Gmail account in your web browser. Click on the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, stay on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Images section. You'll see two options: Always display external images, or Ask before displaying external images. Make sure you select Ask before displaying external images. This prevents Gmail from automatically loading tracking pixels in your emails. Now, whenever you open an email with external images, Gmail will ask for your permission first. For an extra layer of protection, consider using browser extensions like PixelBlock or other privacy tools. These can block tracking pixels even in Gmail's web interface, giving you more control over your email privacy. Remember, keeping your Gmail privacy settings updated is key to avoiding unwanted tracking. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can stop pixel tracking in Gmail, protect your privacy, and make sure your email activity stays private. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in keeping your information secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Gmail tips and privacy tutorials. Stay safe and happy emailing.